Hey there, in this tutorial, we learn how to convert a two-dimensional array into a CSV formatted string using JavaScript. CSV is a common format for exporting tabular data, and it is super useful when sharing information between systems. We look at how to build this format programmatically. Let's start by understanding the problem. Here, we are given a 2D array of values. Each subarray represents a row. The goal is to convert it into a CSV string format. By default, CSV uses a comma delimiter, but we'll support custom ones too. Let's move on to the code and break it down step by step. The function array.CSV takes a 2D array and an optional delimiter. First, we map through each row and format each value in double quotes. We then join these values by the delimiter. Lastly, we join the rows with /n to produce the final CSV string. Let's walk through how each row is processed. We start by formatting each value with quotes. Then, we assemble each row into a string using the chosen delimiter. Once all rows are formatted, we merge them into one big string using newlines. This gives us the final CSV output. This table highlights how the function works with different inputs and delimiters. For instance, you can generate semicolon delimited CSV for compatibility with Excel in some regions. It even works with numbers. JavaScript converts them to strings automatically. It is flexible and handles many cases cleanly. This function is great for generating export-ready CSV data, whether you're exporting tables, generating reports, or building CSV APIs. This solution has you covered. It is lightweight and works without any external libraries. Let's wrap up with the key insights. In this tutorial, we've explored a neat method for turning a 2D array into a CSV string. We use core JavaScript features like map and join with double quotes and line breaks. This trick is great for any app dealing with tabular data. Thank you for watching. Happy coding! Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.